Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the style on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Styles button under next to the Shop option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can select the domino style and the application style, and just select one and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.